Hi, this is Erin from Bridgeville South Fayette Libraries. I'm here today. I'm going to show you how to make stationery with a printed leaf on it. So what you need for this is stationery, some leaves from your backyard, a rolling pin, and some markers. So to get started, we're going to grab our leaf and choose a marker, and you're going to color the back of your leaf where all the veins are. So we'll do that. And you want to color all the way to the edge and make sure you get the middle ridge as well. Okay, so now you want to take your stationery and you're going to position your leaf, and you'll give it one pass with the rolling pin, and then gently pick up your leaf, and now you have a nice impression of a leaf on your stationery. You can write a letter to someone and send it in the mail. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you later.